Yomimon.
The Rolling Bread. This is a story told from generation to generation in Norway. Once there was a mother with 7 children in a village. "Kids, I will make you a delicious bread today." The mother made a dough into a round shape. The kids were already hungry and said,
Mom, I want a lot.
"Me too."
You are so precious, Mom. Me too.
"You are so precious and warm, Mom. Me too."
You are so precious, warm, and beautiful, Mom. Me too.
"You are so precious, warm, beautiful, and kind, Mom. Me too."
You are so precious, warm, beautiful, kind, and cool, Mom. Me too.
The 7 children said one by one, "Just wait a second. All I have to do now is to fry it on the frying pan. I'm flipping it." Whoop! Then the strangest thing happened. The bread jumped out of the frying pan and started rolling on towards the living room. Then it passed the kitchen door and out the house door into the alley. Roll, 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 roll. The mother and her 7 children went after the bread. The bread rolled and met a crooked old man.
Ahem. Delicious-looking bread. May I take a bite?
The bread said,
"No, you can't. A mother and her 7 children are coming after me as we speak."
Then the bread started rolling again. The old man started to chase the bread now as well. The bread kept rolling and now met a rooster.
A tasty bread. Why don't I have a bite?
Then the bread said,
"No, you can't. A mother and her 7 children and an old man is coming after me right now."
Then the bread resumed rolling. The rooster started to chase the bread as well now. The bread rolled and soon met a duck.
A delicious bread? I want bite.
"No way. You can't. A mother and her 7 children, an old man, and a rooster is after me."
The bread went on rolling again. The duck shouted quack quack and started chasing the bread. Then the bread met a cat.
"What a tasty-looking bread you are. Shall I have a bite?" "No, you can't. A mother and her 7 children, an old man, a rooster, and a quack-quack duck is after me at this moment."
And there went the bread again, rolling away. The cat cried and went after the bread now. The bread rolled and met a pig this time.
You're a delicious-looking bread. So, where are you headed in such a hurry?
I am so worn out. A mother and her 7 children, an old man, a rooster, a quack-quack duck, and a cat is after me.
Oh, what a pity. So you must get bored of traveling all alone. Would you wish for me to tag along?
The pig set off with the bread and soon reached a small stream.
Bread! Get on my nose. I'll carry us across the stream.
Thank you, pig.
The bread jumped and landed on the nose of the pig. But oh no!
Wow, what a delicious smell this is.
The pig sniffed the bread and just couldn't help but eat the bread.